Hi, I'm Dan Kundrat from ECI Cables in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. So ECI Cables is primarily a contract manufacturer, but we've been branching into some more OE projects. So we design some products based off of our customers' needs. So they basically tell us what connections they need to hook up to for their end product, and we do the rest, make it work. We have customers ranging all the way from medical to automotive to military and government contracts. We have other customers in the fire safety industry, and we even have some that build fire trucks themselves. So one of our biggest challenges for servicing all these industries is trying to get product out on time, whether that be through tooling that we need to upgrade or lack of staff. We had a customer reach out to us about making small panel builds, which is actually how I had met Ben and the crew at Phoenix Contact. The volumes they were asking for were something we had never seen before, and we were able to get the CF3000 machine and all the required tooling in like record turnaround times, and within 3 weeks we were able to start building at full capacity. We have some other assemblies that are pre-wired pigtails that we have to cut down to size, strip, and solder to where it belongs, and we've been using the CRIMPFOX 10 for those because what we did previously was we'd use like electrician's strippers, and you're trying to get your lengths right, trying to get the depth right, it's laying around wherever. Ben had introduced me to the CRIMPFOX 10, and it's just, you put it on the wire, squeeze it, and you're done. So here at ECI, we use a ton of different Phoenix Contact products, whether that be hand tools for stripping, for putting ferrules on, printers for all our labeling needs, machines for putting more ferrules on, cable strippers that we previously have not had access to be able to process higher conductor cables. So our growth in the past year has been quite tremendous, and part of that has been due to the support that we've gotten from Phoenix Contact, and we have projects that in the past we never would have been able to process due to our lack of tooling, but with all these new tools that have been introduced to our shop floor, we can do them efficiently, we can do them without any quality issues, and it just puts our foot in the door for new opportunities. Our relation with Phoenix Contact has been great. Anytime I've needed help, with whether it's finding a new tool to help us do a new job in a new industry or support on existing products that we have from them, they're always there, ready to answer the phone, ready to answer emails, and more than willing to help. I see ECI and Phoenix Contact's relation growing throughout the years. Their product specialists have been more than willing to help support me with whatever needs I have, whether that be designing around a new product or giving us tools or options on tooling for new products.